Say good morning, friends. So we're gonna make some pancakes.
Pancakes.
Yeah, pancakes.
So yummy.
So yummy. You don't want me to talk? You gonna just talk to them and tell them? Okay, you can.
Hi, friends.
We gotta make some oat flour.
Oat flour.
Make oat flour just out of rolled oats. I make a big batch when I make it because I use it quite a bit. Can you turn this on? All right, that is definitely some oat flour. I'm just gonna put it back into my empty thing. Daddy's here, finally. Get some fruit.
Thanks, babe.
Hi, friends. See you later. You make.
That's a stack of pancakes. Oh, strawberry and blueberry? Okay. Oh. It's okay. So good? Would you prefer banana? Is that good? Tell your friends what you got.
Strawberry cake, banana, orange, apple, apple.
Is it fruit salad?
Yeah.
Apple, strawberries, banana, orange, peach, pecans. How is it? Really good.
We taste a bit.
Okay. It's good, huh?
I want more peach.
What?
It's so good.
Is it so good? There's more if you want some. Oh my goodness. We're having Brussels sprouts and hash browns. The kids are eating this too. Dinner is air fried burritos with rice, pinto beans, salsa, guacamole, salad on the side. I just put them on 400. 5 minutes on one side and then 3 minutes on the next. They get pretty crunchy. You have to keep an eye on them. With a little Kung Fu Panda. What you got?
Popsicle.
A popsicle? What kind is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
And a strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake. Can you show them the package? It's these Chloe's strawberry. It's strawberry puree, strawberries, lemon juice, water, organic cane sugar. If you have a Publix near you, they carry them there. I'm sure Whole Foods or somewhere else. They're delicious.
Mm-hmm.